Let's learn Java. Today I will show you how to merge two Excel files in Java using Apache POI library. I got this topic from a Slack group that I belong to. You would have noticed that I create one video every day on various technologies. Yes. Since my last 10 videos were on IIB, I decided it's time for a change. Let's code in Java. I used Maven to create a project. I then used IntelliJ to edit the code in this project. Long ago, in Feb of 2020, I wrote a blog post how to read multiple emails in EML format and extract data from it into an Excel file. I will copy Apache POI dependencies mentioned in the blog post, link in description. I have grown accustomed to the benefits provided by Lombok library, so I include that to my project. Look at the way logger object is created in apt class using Lombok annotation. I create a simple test to see if I can read two Excel files. I print the sheet names from those two Excel files, dhoni.xlsx and raina.slsx. These Excel files contain the stats of legendary cricketers who announced retirement on 15th August 2020. Using this piece of code, I copy sheet names from both the input Excel files and create one output Excel file as shown. Excel sheets are currently blank. That was intentional. I next modify the code to copy cell contents from old Excel sheet to new Excel sheet. A class called Excel sheet has been created that iterates over all the cells and copies the values one by one. Reference to the Stack Overflow page from where I got the source code for Excel sheet.java class file is included in video description. As always, you can find the source code of the projects that I demo in my video available at my GitHub repository, link in video description. Do you know how to merge Excel files without iterating over every cell? Are there any functions or libraries that from Apache POI for this? Reply in comments.